how it looks like in here, like shit. There are boxes everywhere. This is like a total pig's nest here. I can't even get to my workbench anymore. Big boxes over here, more big boxes there. Another big box here. Christmas decoration from the house in the middle of the garage. The Christmas tree still here. It looks like homeless people are living here. And more big boxes in the way. Look at this narrow gap here. A petrol jerry can. What? Really? There's still tools on the floor here from an emergency repair. But you know what? The weather is nice. Stuff over here. 6 pairs of gloves. Who needs that? And about 63 epoxy sheets. Subscriber count hasn't been updated for a while. I haven't shaved. The battery room is still unfinished. This circuit breaker is constantly tripping here. And I'm still not 100%. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Guys, welcome back to the Off-Grid Garage here. 2025. Happy New Year. Andy is finally back in the Off-Grid Garage, making videos for you after I sold my silver play button from YouTube for $100,000 and thought, I'm not making videos anymore. I'm just living off this money. Well, it is now the 6th or 7th of January and the money is already gone, so that didn't last. Yeah, I'm telling you, we had a big Christmas party. Well, we had the whole family coming together here over Christmas until New Year. So 10 days non-stop not making videos. But now they're all gone home. Christmas tree is packed up. All the Christmas lights are down. Christmas is over. The new year has just started. And I'm back here in the Off-Grid Garage 2025. Wow. I managed to record 3 more videos about the Google Power Do-It-Yourself Kit version 2 and the MB31 cells we put into this box, because I wanted to do the capacity test of this whole box and tell you how good these MB31 cells are. And I thought I record everything, and then during the Christmas and holiday days I find some time to edit this slowly and release it slowly one after another, and none of that happened. I think I have started editing the first video and it's probably 1/3, 1/4 ready or so. But then the whole editing situation stopped altogether. Too much family stuff during the holidays. So, before we continue with the 2025 content here, I will show you these 3 videos. They will come out on every 2 days this week. And then I will have some fresh content for you with the Google Power boxes here. As you can see, I have now connected them here in parallel and connected these batteries in parallel to the battery shelf. And it is so fascinating to watch that unfolding. And I think I need to start filming this tomorrow because we're coming closer and closer to the point. I don't want to spoil it. You have to watch these 3 videos from last year first. Yeah, and basically I just want to tell you, I'm back. We've got so much stuff to do this year. We will go full steam ahead and there will be video after video after video after video. And I think we've got 1 more do-it-yourself box to test. And then I told everyone, don't send me any do-it-yourself boxes anymore. People are sick of it. I'm sick of it. It just gets too much, you know. We're getting version 4 and 5 now with the eel boxes, for example. They are continuously improving their box and sending me new versions all the time. But I can't show them all here on the channel all the time, you know. I'm not a do-it-yourself box reviewer. We have more important stuff to do. You know, we want to build a kilowatt-hour battery room here. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Anyway, guys, I just want to let you know I'm back. Videos are coming this week. And thank you very much for all your support during the holidays. Thank you for very much you're doing to keep this channel up and running. Alright, this is all I have for you today. See you in the next video coming out the day after tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet. Because with this nice weather here, I rather want to sit at the pool actually than editing videos. You reckon? Nah, holiday is over. Back to work. Back in the Off-Grid Garage. But I have to clean this shit up here. It looks like shit. There is shit everywhere. Alright guys, as always, stay charged, stay safe. And I try to talk to you soon again.